This is the Big Ball V-neck short sleeve dress. This is such a stunning girly dress. I love the arm details on it, plus the little embroidery within it. Just really gives it some beautiful texture throughout it. This one comes in a few different colors. So we've got the apricot shade, which is kind of this cream white that I have here. A kind of pinky mauve tone, a black one, and a yellow one, which is kind of like a deep mustardy yellow. Sizes come through small through extra large. I am wearing a size medium here in the video. So medium, let's take a look at the size chart in inches. Has a bust of 39, shoulder width of 15, sleeve length 8.3, front length 35.4, neck width 8.7, and waist size of 38.6. This is a really pretty kind of spring or summer dress. I feel like the white feels very daytime to me, whereas the black one you could definitely do for a night out or kind of a more high-end event as well. Material of it is 100% polyester. I think this is just such a pretty high-end looking piece. It is double layered, so you do have a just like a little extra layer underneath, little white slip is the word I'm looking for, and then you've got the kind of patterned sleeve, very much like lacy bit over top. So very cute, pairs well. You can do a little hat or some big sunglasses, maybe some wedged heels or flats, whatever your vibe is. I also love pairing this with a jean jacket if I want to kind of casual it up, if I'm planning to wear it out for maybe lunch or something, or a big bag on the shoulder always pairs well too.